Here I have Sony Xperia 10 Plus, and let me show you how to clear credentials on the following device. So at the very beginning, open list of all applications, then find and select the settings, scroll down and pick lock screen and security, so it's under storage. Scroll down one more time and open the advanced options of privacy. Scroll down one more time and here you'll notice encryption and credentials, so just open it. And the very last tab in this menu is clear credentials, so just click on it and confirm if you want to remove all the contents, all the certificates that you have. If you do, just tap on OK. And that's it. You've just cleared your credentials. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.